Hey plant fam, welcome back. Today we're diving into a bold and stylish houseplant that's super easy to care for and instantly elevates any room if you ask me. The stunning Jade Jewel Dracaena. The Jade Jewel Dracaena is a real standout. Its leaves are thick, shiny, and deep green with a crisp white or silvery striping that runs down the center and edges. It's got this symmetrical architectural vibe that makes it feel both tropical and modern. Whether it's sitting on a side table or tucked in a plant corner, it commands attention without being flashy, and it's one of my favorites. Dracaenas are native to Africa and Madagascar and parts of Asia, and the Jade Jewel is one of the many cultivars known for their toughness and sleek looks. This one's been especially bred for indoor living, slow growing, compact, and incredibly forgiving. Like most Dracaenas, Jade Jewel prefers bright and direct light, but it's totally okay in medium or even low light too. That makes it perfect for office spaces, bedrooms, or anywhere that needs a green pop without tons of sunlight. Just avoid harsh, direct rays that can cause leaf burn. For watering, less is more. Let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out between waterings. Overwatering is one of the only ways to upset this plant. It also appreciates good drainage, so make sure your pot has a hole. This plant is not just pretty, it's practical. Dracaenas are known to help purify indoor air, filtering out common toxins. It's also a super low maintenance option for beginners or anyone who forgets to water sometimes. Jade Jewel's neat, upright growth makes it look fantastic in ceramic planters, modern pots, or minimal plant stands. It works beautifully in clean, modern interiors or as a calming green accent in boho or natural spaces. And because it grows slowly, you won't have to worry about constant pruning or repotting. Be careful with fluoride in your water. Dracaenas can be sensitive. If you notice browning tips, try using filtered or distilled water. That's a big one. And even though it's hardy, keep it away from cold drafts or AC vents to prevent stress. Jade Jewel Dracaena is not pet safe. Keep that in mind, so keep it out of reach if you have curious or cats or dogs. If you're looking for something pet friendly, check out my other videos for safer options. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any of these beauties at home or if it's on your wish list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're loving the green life. Until next time, stay rooted and keep growing.